Are you ready to transform your indoor cooking experience? Look no further than the Ninja IG601 Foodi XL7-in-1 Indoor Grill Combo. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore why this kitchen marvel deserves a prime spot in your culinary arsenal. The ultimate grill and griddle combo, the Ninja IG601 isn't just your run-of-the-mill indoor grill. It's a culinary powerhouse that combines the functionalities of an indoor grill, griddle, and air fryer, all in one sleek package. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to culinary convenience. Unmatched grilling power. At the heart of this appliance lies Ninja's most powerful grill, with the ability to reach temperatures of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit independently. This grill grate delivers direct, edge-to-edge high-heat searing. Say hello to perfectly char-grilled results that will rival your favorite restaurant. Versatile BBQ griddle. But that's not all. The 12 inches BBQ griddle component opens up a world of possibilities. It cooks foods that grills simply can't handle and seamlessly interlocks with the grill grate to harness its direct high heat. Precise temperature controls ensure fast, even cooking without annoying hot or cold spots. Hood up or hood down, your choice. Whether you prefer hood up or hood down cooking, the Ninja IG601 has you covered. Keep the hood down to infuse your dishes with cyclonic air for fast, even high heat cooking. Achieve surround searing, crisping, and melting. If you desire intense high-heat searing and concentrated flavors, the hood-up option delivers direct bottom heat for mouth-watering results. Healthier cooking with less fat. Indulge in your favorite fried delights with up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying, thanks to the included 4-quart crisper basket. Say goodbye to greasy guilt and hello to crispy, flavorful dishes. 7 cooking functions, limitless possibilities. The Ninja IG601 offers a diverse range of cooking functions, including grill, BBQ griddle, air crisp, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate, all enabled by its wide temperature range. Whether you're grilling, air crisping, or dehydrating, this appliance empowers you to explore endless culinary adventures. XL family size capacity. Whether you're cooking for family or friends, the Ninja IG601 has the space you need. The grill grate accommodates up to 6 steaks, main courses, and sides simultaneously. Meanwhile, the flat-top BBQ griddle allows you to prepare a whole platter of nachos, 4 sandwiches, or 6 pancakes at once. Smoke control for a clean kitchen. Worried about smoke? The Ninja IG601 incorporates a smoke control system that combines recommended grilling practices, a temperature-controlled grill grate, a splatter shield, and a cool air zone to minimize smoke production, keeping your kitchen clean and comfortable. Easy cleanup. Cleaning up after a sumptuous meal has never been easier. The PFO-free, non-stick ceramic-coated powered grill grate, crisper basket, and BBQ griddle plate are all dishwasher safe, allowing you to enjoy your culinary creations without the hassle of scrubbing. What's included? When you choose the Ninja IG601 Foodi XL7-in-1 Indoor Grill Combo, you get the complete package. It includes the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Griddle and Grill, a 9 inches by 12 inches grill grate, a 12 inches flat-top BBQ griddle, a 4-quart crisper basket, and a quick start guide. In conclusion, the Ninja IG601 Foodi XL7-in-1 Indoor Grill Combo is a culinary game-changer. With its versatility, power, and convenience, it empowers home cooks to create restaurant-quality dishes with ease. Elevate your indoor cooking experience with the Ninja IG601 and discover the joy of culinary excellence. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.